Hi guys, welcome back to Rav's Retreat, which is the wood turning section of my YouTube channel. Now then, in previous videos I think I've spoke to you regarding it not being the end of the world if your bowl cracks whilst it's drying. Some turners seem to think it is the end of the world. Me personally, I'll turn a crack into a feature. I'll turn a negative into a positive. There are various ways of doing it. Depends on where the crack is, how big the crack is, how deep. You know, I can't really tell you how to do it because each crack is different. But one of the tools that I use on a regular basis is for burning. What I'll do is basically the crack, I'll open it out slightly with a Dremel tool, you know, the rotary tool. I'll open it out slightly and then I'll burn the edges. Now sometimes I do it with a wood burning pen, a pyrography pen, but sometimes I'll do it with this gadget. This is a butane gas torch made by Proxon, a little tiny one, and it works a treat. It'll also work for doing small brazing jobs and soldering jobs. The flame reaches about 1800 degrees, which is ample hot enough. You can adjust the temperature. I'll just show you. I'll fire it up. It's got piezo ignition. You lift that up. Turn on the gas. There you go. You can then adjust the flame. Make it low temperature or make it really high temperature, like a pencil flame. It's a brilliant tool, not cheap. It was about 30 UK pounds I think. You can get slightly cheaper ones that are for cooking on some of the chef shows that are quite popular these days. You can get torch burners for oh, I forgot what they use them for. They sort of, is it called flambe? Something like that, where they melt the top of a dish. Well, you can get those that are cheaper than this, but the flame that they produce doesn't go up to 1800 degrees like this does. They'll go up to about 1000, I do believe, which is a little bit low for brazing. But it's a great little gizmo. I've used it many times since I got it. You can fill it up off the you know, the cigarette lighter refill cans. Well, basically that's how you fill it up. There's the little nozzle for where you fill it. Once it's filled, it will run for a good 2 hours continuous use, at least 2 hours at full on the maximum setting. But it's a handy item to have, really is. Might like to think about getting one. It's got numerous uses round the shop. But as I say, I do use it for decorating various wood bowls, making negatives into positives, you might say. Right guys, I'll keep this one short and we'll move on to the next one. I've got several things to show you, so we'll move on to the next one, shall we? Catch you shortly. Take care now.